In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Instagram account to Whop step by step, so you can link your profile correctly and verify it in just a few minutes. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, I'll walk you through every click so you can follow along without getting stuck. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to whop.com. Then log into your Whop account. Once you're signed in, look in the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile avatar or icon. This opens your account menu. In that drop-down, find the gear icon right next to your username and click it. That takes you into your account settings area. From here, look at the settings menu and select Connected Accounts. This is where Whop lets you manage the social accounts connected to your profile. Now you'll see a list of available integrations. Look for Instagram in that list, then click Add, or click the plus icon next to it depending on what your screen shows. After that, Whop will ask you to link your Instagram account, enter your Instagram account URL to begin the connection process, and generate your verification code. Whop uses this code to make sure you actually own the Instagram profile before it adds it publicly to your account. Now pay close attention here, because this verification step is the most important part. Whop will generate a unique 6-digit verification code. Copy that code carefully. Then switch over to your Instagram account, go to your profile, and open your bio or description settings. Temporarily paste or type that 6-digit code somewhere in your bio. It doesn't have to stay there forever, it just needs to be visible long enough for Whop to confirm it. Once the code is live on your Instagram profile, go back to Whop and click Verify. After a moment, Whop will check your profile, confirm the match, and once it verifies successfully, your Instagram handle will appear dynamically under your Connected Accounts section. That means the connection worked. After everything is verified, you can go back into your Instagram bio and clean up the temporary code so your profile looks normal again. That's the final step, and it's a good habit to keep your bio neat after the connection is complete. So, just to recap, you log into Whop, open your account settings, go to Connected Accounts, add Instagram, place the verification code in your bio, and then verify it inside Whop. And that's it, you successfully connected your Instagram account to Whop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.